I do a lot of analysis, simulations and stuff like that, solving some of the really, really difficult problems on the lander that, require physics tools that most people don't know how to use. So I spend a lot of my day, first of all, learning how to use these tools because they're not easy. But then I spend a lot of time making sure that what I do in my simulations is communicated really well to everyone else so they understand how I did it and they can verify that I did it correctly and, made good assumptions and everything. Moving into mission ops, I'm spending a lot of time just building out dashboards and figuring out what data we want to be looking at when we're flying the lander. That's one of the things that I'm really, really fortunate to have as part of my job is that I'm involved in literally everything. Like, I've done the analysis for the thermal control system. I've ordered the hardware. I've integrated some of the hardware. I'm going to be operating the lander. So it's like the entire, lander project is something that I get to work on. It's not something you'd get anywhere else. And then I also, don't just work on the lander. I also work on Elytra, and I have worked on Alpha. And so there's so many opportunities at Firefly, and that's one of the cool things about working there. I'm Will Adams, and we're landing on the moon.